So now on our fire pit here, where we got our blocking back, you can see the mold that has grown in between here. This is all kind of a tan brown, which means I sprayed this with the white vinegar and it died off. It's no longer green, doesn't look like it did before. So I'm going to take this brush. This is actually why I got this brush. And I'm going to try just to brush most of the mold off. I know the grass isn't going to come. I've got to figure that out yet. And I'm doing this instead of pressure washing, so I don't have to redo the sand and all that. So I'm hoping this works, gets it pretty good. It's not going to be perfect, but I'm hoping it gets it pretty nice, and you know, it looks halfway decent here. So we had a warm day finally. I'm gonna see what we get. Okay, so you can see I'm making a little bit of a mess. No, it takes, I think, about a minute or about 5 minutes a line here. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the edge of the brush, okay, and I'll just walk over here and show you, kind of. Oh, I'm stiff. It's been a long day here. Okay, but I'm just taking the edge of the brush, a little bit of an angle, and going through and just kind of working this and you know, cleaning that moss out of there. And I'm going to go all the way one direction first, then I'm going to go the other direction, and where the grass is in there, I'm going to take that out in a different way. But you can see with the vinegar, okay, it kills some of the grass. It doesn't kill all of the grass. That's just kind of what I'm finding here. I'm going to go back to the drawing board. I want to keep it natural. We got all the bunnies in the yard. I don't want to hit them with Roundup and, you know, and kill them. I know I probably should, but anyways, we're going to figure out, we're going to do this all natural one way or another. So that's just a quick update here on what I'm doing. I'm going to work it back and forth, and then I'm going to blow this stuff off. Actually, I'm going to take my my battery operated bad boy blower and just blow this moss right off of here, clean it up, and be done with it. Technically, I really think if I would have let this go even a little bit longer, but we've had so much rain, you know, if I let this go for a couple dry days, this will go just easier than snot. But I'm happy with this idea. You know, I'm not peeling back all the dirt from in the grooves. I'm just kind of taking back to where the blocks are angled up on top, and I'm taking it down so the angles show kind of nicely. And then when I get done with this, I'm going to wash it up, and I think it will look pretty nice, and we don't have to, you know, sand it and put the polymer sand in there and reharden it and all that jazz. I think this is just a nice quick way to clean your pavers up. So like I said, I hit it with white vinegar. The combination is white vinegar, a little bit of salt, sea salt in the mixture, and then you put just a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap in there too. That's kind of your bonding agent. But yeah, I've done this twice, and the last time I did it was on Sunday, so 3 days ago, and you can tell it just really kind of killed that moss off, or is killing the moss off. And I could leave it go, but there's a reason I kind of want to see if this works or not. So right now I'm happy with this. I'm happy with the deck isn't perfect out front, but I'm happy with that. The refrigerator, we're going to have to get somebody in to see if it's Freon or the compressor, or what the deal is on that. We bought that during COVID. The only thing you could get, it's a Medina. I think they're made in China. No more needs to be said, but we'll get it looked at and see if we can get that up and running again. All right, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, as I always say. I appreciate sharing time with you. I appreciate it when I keep having people tell me they're watching them, so that's cool. And hit that subscribe button. We're going for 1,000 subscriptions this month. Let's see if we can make that happen. Grab your friends at work. Just tell them to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate any help I can get along that line. I'm just a small guy doing this. Take care. Have a great evening. So it's about 6:30. I'm done for tonight. I'm not done with this project yet, but 6:30 I'm done. Here's the part that I've got roughed it out. And then I think you can tell the part that I haven't done. Okay. You can see the moss and that in between. So we've got a little work on that half to do. I'll wash it down nice, and then I'm going to edge it out nice, and this will be pretty nice. But it's 6:30. My knees are sore, and enough is enough for today. Hope you like this. We're just kind of playing with it. It sure beats pressure washing it. Having to go through putting the polymer sand back in and all that stuff. Is it perfect? No, but it sure takes care of that moss and sure makes it look a lot nicer than that side over there does. And both Lucy and Mulligan approve. Uh-oh, I guess I'm not done working yet tonight. Lucy just made some more work for me. Hit that subscribe button, and we've got some things in line again for tomorrow. But for tonight, we're done. DUNN, done.